Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of JD Flutes. What do I have here, folks? This is my new special series middle tone E drones tuned to 440 Hertz. And these drones here have been produced with cherry wood. Cherry is a very hard wood, or this one here is. And I've been asked many times, JD, I know you have bass flutes, but where's your middle tone flutes in E? So I've designed one for you all. These flutes, folks, I feel like they have beautiful voices and you can do a lot with them. This is my 9-hole drones. And if you bear with me, I'll show you how to play each individual holes. I might mess up, but no one's perfect. So just bear with me. I'm going to put one of them down and I'll explain a little bit about it. I'm not going to take too much of your time. Like I said, this is my middle tone E. It has my eagle fetishes with genuine turquoise eyes. It's been wrapped with very soft black deer leather. Very easy on the mouth, folks. Shouldn't have any problems. Look at that cherry wood, isn't it beautiful? It's an oil finish. These are one-piece flutes. The flute sides, they have not been split. And you can tell my flutes, my drones are different than anyone else out there who makes wood products. I wanted to design mine a little bit different. On the bottom, you will see JD Flutes Special Series E440. Okay, if you bear with me, I'll show you how to play each individual hole. I'll remove the leather and show you how to do that. I might mess up, but it's alright. First, I'm going to show you what it sounds like playing these holes, then I'll play the drone side with all of the leather, then I'll remove the leather. No reverb, no sound effects. Okay, beautiful voice. I'm going to remove the bottom one. All you got to do is just twist it, folks, off of that hole just like that. See how I twisted it? Okay, now I'm going to show you how to play this bottom hole. The bottom hole open. Okay, now I'm going to just twist the leather on the bottom here. Just twist it. That way you'll have two holes open. See? Now you have two holes open. mess up. Okay, I'm going to remove, just twist the leather. See how I'm twisting it, folks? That's a whole lot easier than moving it up and down. Just twist your leather. Now you have 3 holes open on the drone side. This is my favorite way of playing it. Beautiful, folks. If you would like to have one of these here, I'll put the link below this video to where you can purchase you one right away. And I feel like these flutes came out beautiful, folks. They have such a wonderful voice. And if you like it, please comment below. And I will have it on sale. And don't forget that to go on the website www.jdflutes.com and subscribe. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see a subscribe section. Subscribe because I'm getting ready to start sending out coupons to all of my subscribers where you can get a good deal. I'm going to have the flutes on sale, but with the subscription, you will be able to get it. With that coupon code, you'll be able to get it much cheaper, folks. So I'm trying to save you some money. Thank you so much, folks. Thank you so much for everything, and I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. I really do appreciate it.